Merry Christmas! These beautiful ornaments are made out of recycled toilet paper rolls. That's right. They're one of my favorite Christmas crafts, and I'm going to show you how to make it. You'll need recycled toilet paper rolls, as well as hot glue, scissors, and any embellishments you want to add, like glitter or sequins, jingle bells, anything, as well as a ribbon for hanging. So take your toilet paper roll and smooth it out flat. For extra fun, I decided to write some favorite Christmas memories on mine. Once you're done, cut the toilet paper roll into about 1/4 inch thick loops. I just eyeball it. You should have at least 15 loops, but it's okay if you have extra. Use a hot glue gun to put glue on the end of the flat edge of one strip, like I'm doing here. Stick another strip to it in that same place so that it forms what I call a bunny ears shape. Use hot glue to attach another strip to your bunny ears. Make sure they all fan out on one end and are glued together on the other end. Make another set of 3 strips just like we did before. Next, use hot glue to combine your 2 sets of 3 into a flower shape with 6 petals. You want to make sure it's all flat, so it helps to press it against the table for a second until the glue holds. Take 6 more strips and fold them in half so that they look like even tinier bunny ears. Put a dot of glue on the folded tip of the strip and insert it in between 2 of the flower petals. Repeat with the remaining folded strip so that each flower petal is surrounded by a tiny bunny ears. Use scissors to cut 3 of the remaining strips in half. You'll end up with 6 of these. I call them tweezers for the shape they're in. Glue a tweezer shape into the middle of the tiny bunny ears. Repeat with the 5 remaining tweezer shapes. To finish your ornament, you can add decorations, or you can leave it plain. You can loop a ribbon through it to make an ornament to hang on your windowsill, on your doorknob, wherever you want. I showed you how to make a basic shape, but you can modify it with so many ways. You can do all kinds of small little changes to make it all your own. Let me know how it went in the comments. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun activities like this one.